So this here area symbolizes the grass. That's where he just peed at, in the grass area. So this is their grass area. Okay. This is their sleeping area. Got a couple nice pillows, towels, blankets. Okay. Notice they sleeping on the blankets, underneath the blankets, in between the blankets. Cameras to watch, to see. Sleeping area. Bathroom area where they go to the bathroom at, right there. Then we have over here the food area. This is their food area. That is puppy mush. Most of it's made out of salmon puppy food. Salmon, good for their coats. Make their coats nice and shiny. Still little girl here. Little pretty shiny coat. And this here is the boy and a girl just chilling. It's my big boy here. He's the biggest, strongest, and most aggressive, and the biggest baby out of them all. He cried like a baby until I gave him some hugs and kisses, and then he went to sleep. The biggest baby of them all. So she is the baby of the bunch. Excuse me. Baby of the bunch. She's a little toughie. And notice how pretty their coats are. Nice and silky. Salmon helps keep the area nice and clean. Teach them how to respect their area. They don't need to be walking around all over your house or anywhere else till they learn how to respect their own area. You have to learn this is where you sleep. This is where you eat. And this is where you go to the bathroom at. So in other words, don't eat and sleep where your dookie at. If people learned that, we wouldn't have so many issues. So teach your dogs how to not eat and sleep in the same place. Give them a little bit of area at least. You know, this here is a 6x6 that I built. It's a 6x6 crate that I built here. 6x6. So they have 6 feet to learn how to manage first. When you see them doing this little movements right there, this is them growing while they're sleeping. Their body, their bones are actually getting bigger as they sleep. When you see them little shakes, that's that growth. I thought it was cold. It has nothing to do with that. This is actually growth taking place while they're sleeping. Sometimes they like to separate from each other, get away from each other for a few, and go about where they want to. And that's what they're doing. Again, this is their bathroom area. That section, bathroom area. This section, sleep area. This small section, food area. Notice I have a separation from the bathroom, sleep, and food, making sure none of the bathroom junk gets into the food area, leaving a little space. So in other words, they gotta go over there, realize this where you sleep at, go over there, use the bathroom, get a little space here, sleep, and get a little place here when you're hungry. You go down there and eat. Everybody and everything needs order. That's how we have productivity.